Today I'm going to show you a volcanic eruption. It's just a model, don't worry. So you will need a plastic water bottle or a container with a hole in it, like this. A bowl or tray so it doesn't get messy. 50 millilitres of vinegar, and I've got a funnel so it won't get messy. You need 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and I've put it in the paper so it's easier to pour in for later on. And last but not least, some food colouring. So first step, we put it in the bowl. Second step, we're going to pour the vinegar inside. Let me just put the funnel in. So like this. There. Okay, wait for it. Now you need 4 squirts of food colouring. 2, 3, and 4. And last, we need to do the baking powder, so that. Baking powder. So, put it in like that. And then there you go. Wow, look at that. It's like erupting. It's all foaming out. There it is. You can even hear it bubbling. Wow, this is so cool. Goodness, it's still going on. Okay, hope to see you again. Bye.